welcome back to LoloCreates. My name is Lauren and this is my channel. So you either clicked on this video because you're excited for going back to school and supplies and organization and you really want to organize for back to school, or you might not be excited about going back to school but you want the organization, supplies and stuff, or you're not going back to school but you want some organization for your room or your office or wherever you work. Today's DIYs are some really easy canvases. There's a corkboard, a chalkboard, and a supplies holder. I think these are super fun and you can customize them however you want. Maybe you're not going to use the same corks as me, or maybe you have a collection of corks and you want to display all the corks you have. Or the chalkboard, you can customize it however you want. You can paint it any color or pattern or whatever. Let's get started. Hot glue the corks one by one on the canvas in a pattern with 2 vertical and 2 horizontal like I'm showing here. You can either use saved up corks like I'm using, or you can go to the store and buy some corks. They just won't have the branding on it. And this is a fun recycled craft if you have corks that you've saved up. And when you're done, it is a beautiful corkboard. Start by painting your canvas in any color you'd like. Make sure to paint a few coats so it's opaque, and then let it dry and make sure it is completely dry. Once the paint has completely dried, then you can paint it with your chalkboard paint. Check on the label of your chalkboard paint to see the exact instructions. Mine said paint a thin layer and then wait an hour and then paint another thin layer and wait 24 hours to cure. Yours may have a few different instructions. Once I painted the second coat, I let it dry for 24 hours. Then you can prime your canvas with some chalk and start writing. Place your cups on the canvas for spacing. You can use multiple cups, you can use 1 cup. It doesn't really matter how many, just place them on there, see where you want them. I was trying to decide between high and low, but I eventually decided in the middle was the best. All I did was I ran a line of hot glue on the back where the cup has a seam in it, and then I pressed it into the canvas and hot glued it to the canvas. And you'll want to apply a little bit of pressure just so the hot glue will stick to the canvas as well as the cup. Once I did it to one of the cups, I was able to kind of measure, make sure it was in the middle, and then see where I wanted to put the other cup. I would wait at least a few minutes for this to dry before you decide to put anything inside, and I also would not use heavy items because it's not meant for that. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Also comment down below any video suggestions you may have. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell and you'll become part of the family, as well as get a notification every time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.